Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting the form lights on our Vorra, our 24 Dark Horse. As you can see in these pictures and video, this is the original way it looks from the factory with the stock ones, with the amber up front and the red in the back. We are replacing them with the form lighting smoked look so that during the day it has this great sinister look. As you can see here, just the LEDs and smoke look fantastic. They're easy to install. If you want to check out our install video, these we obviously did on the 24 GT that we had earlier, Beverly. You can check that out. But here you can see the Dark Horse and the blue amber metallic color with these smoked out looks great. Here they are turned on. You can see the LEDs are the whole way across, not just one little light. They look fantastic, and the reflectors being LEDs also just continue to make the back end of the car look fantastic. So thank you, Form Lighting. These look great, and if you want to do this to your Mustang, just check out our install video.